Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this one I'm going to be trying to fix teething problems that I have with my Volkswagen Vento. So you know how it is when you first sort of put a project car back on the road. Sometimes you have problems and stuff like that that you didn't foresee or didn't check or whatever. So on this I've got a couple of problems. My main one is that it struggles to start on a cold morning. No matter how many times I cycle the ignition to get the glow plugs going, it still, you know, takes a good like 20-30 cranks to actually kick over. So I'm going to have a look into that. I'm guessing either the glow plugs are completely dead or there's no voltage going to them, so I'll have to check. There's a small leak of water in the boot, which I'm going to have a look at because I did put a new bung in one of the holes there, so that's probably the one that's leaking. The last thing that I need to do is the head unit in this. It's fine, works well, it's just that I want a Bluetooth on in this and I've got a Bluetooth on lying around somewhere, so I'm going to chuck that in. That should be pretty much all of the initial teething problems, so I'm going to start getting into it. So I think I might have found part of the problem already, and that's that this glow plug bus bar kind of thing that connects them all together is cracked around here, so I don't think that's going to help much. So now with the harness off, I'm going to just take out the glow plug. Yeah, don't know how well you can see that on camera, but that looks pretty toast to me. So yeah, I'm going to get to work on taking all the rest of the glow plugs out and then get some new ones and a new harness thing. This is part of the broken glow plug thing. It's the second one. That one don't look too hot. And the last one doesn't look too smart either. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is wait for the new ones. Old one, new one. Alright, so my little connector harness has finally arrived, so I think what I'm going to do is cut the wires here because I don't feel like splicing into this main engine harness connector thing down here, so I'm just going to cut them up here and put some terminals on and connect it up here, and then it'll make it easier for the next guy that has to do this. That's my old one. That's my new one. Yeah, they're the same kind of fitment, aren't they? It's not cold at the moment, so who knows? I think it should work better than it did. So this head unit, you know, it's pretty good, does the job. It's far better than the one I'm going to put in there, but it doesn't have any Bluetooth connection. Aha, I didn't even put it in the cage properly. Excellent news. There we go, one head unit removed. And I'll go in some other car. And I'm going to go find the Bluetooth one that I want to put in this. So now it's time to fit this Bluetooth one. Any audio enthusiasts out there probably going to laugh that I'm changing from a Sony stereo to a Wharfdale, but needs must. Need Bluetooth. Can't live without Bluetooth. So there we go, guys. I've fixed some of the teething issues that I was having with this car. You get that when you put a project car on the road normally. Some of you might know, you get a few small issues and stuff that you need to sort, an oversight or whatever. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Bit of a short one for you. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.